Oh, welcome back to a new video. Look at that, friends. Lot of car. So let's see what. Oh, wow! Look at that. All car is different. So let's see. Wow! First one is motorbike. Oh, look at that yellow color drum truck. Wow, fire service car. Wow, water car. Okay. Wow, look at that. Tanker. Okay. Wow. Fire service. Car. Oh. Wow. Police ambulance. Okay. Oh, big drum truck.
Dump truck.
Are you ready? Okay. Nice.
Oh, nice. Okay. Wow. This is well car. Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay. Let's see second one. Wow, this is luxury bus. Wow, mixer truck. Wow, big transport container. Okay, let's see next one. Oh, McQueen Sheriff.
Where's your lawyer? I don't know, Tahiti maybe. He's got a timeshare there.
When a defendant has no lawyer, the court will assign one to him. Hey!
Okay, let's see. Fire engine. Recycle car. It's red color. Let's see. Wow. Earbus. Wow. Fire. Train engine. Look at that. Oh. Wow. Excavator. Wow. Luxury bus. Wow, police car. Wow, city bus. Oh, this one is also city bus. Okay. Oh, look at that. Loader trucker. Whoa. Look at that, friend. Okay. Let's see last one. Last one is bullet train. Last one is bullet train. Oh, look at that. Okay, all is finished. Thank you, friend, for watching. Please subscribe.